Last Sunday, various groups gathered at Bonifacio Bonifacio to commemorate the 151st birth anniversary of Andres Bonifacio and the 50th founding anniversary of Bataan Makabayan. Protesters called for the ouster of President Benigno Aquino III and the continuation of Bonifacio's unfinished revolution. Farmers from Hacienda Luisita and members of the Lumad tribe were also present at the event to condemn the alleged human rights violations of the Aquino government.
Lumad sa Mindanao, ang pakikibaka ng mga Moro sa Mindanao ay isang pakikibaka para sa tunay na kalayaan sa pangbansang pang-aapi na pinisimulan ng mga Espanyol hanggang ngayon sa kasalukuyan pinapatuloy ng rimeng Noynoy Aquino.
Protesters cleared the plaza at 4 in the afternoon and marched to Menjola where they held a second program. Andres Bonifacio was the founder of the Taas-Taasang Paggalang-Galangan at lipunan ng mga anak ng bayan, the secret society that led the Philippine Revolution in 1886. The Kabataan Makabayan was a secret youth organization founded in 1964 by then Professor Jose Maria Cisa. This is Brian Gonzalez, Citizen Dreams.
Ang himagsikan!
Sulong!
Ipagtagumpay ang demokratikong revolusyong bayan!
Ipagtagumpay